Attaching a contact detail to a text message allows you to quickly share contact information with others, making it easy for them to save or access that contact directly from the message. Here's how it's done. First, tap the Home button at the bottom to return to the home screen. Next, open the Messages app. From here, you can start a new text conversation or open an existing one. In the conversation screen, tap the Add button located right next to the message text box. Now, select Contacts from the options. In the contact list, you can either scroll or use the search bar to find the contact you'd like to share. You'll have the option to share the contact as a vCard file or text. Here, I'll choose File. Once selected, tap Send. On the recipient's device, they'll see the contact file. When they tap on it, they'll have the option to add and import the contact into their device. And that's it. Now you know how to attach contact details in a text message on the Samsung Galaxy S24. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.